Take my hand, we're leaving this place tonight. They don't want us around here anyway, so let's go somewhere that don't know our fate and have a hot summer full of fun and laughter, running around these sandy beaches, laughing about all the things we left behind. Another hot summer. Oh man, I love her. It makes no sense to me anymore. Every time I get up and look out my back door, there's snow on the ground and it's so fucking cold. I need something to warm up my soul. I need a hot summer. Oh man, I love her. I need a hot summer. Oh man, I love her. I woke up this morning with an idea in my head. I grabbed my car keys and a suitcase. I woke her up and I told her to pack one too. She got up and rubbed her sleepy eyes, opened the drawer, started it right. We threw them in the trunk and we never looked back. It's another hot summer attack. Hot summer. Oh baby, don't you know I love you? And always will, yeah. You are mine. You're my only way out. I wanna take you away from this place, give you everything that you've ever wanted. But up here they're never gonna know my name, so I gotta go somewhere that they want me. Sing them sleep. They want my voice. They like my beat. A hot summer. Oh man, I love her. Yes, I love her. Another hot summer next to her. Hot summer, baby.